The wrong way to solve this is saying 3 minus 3 equals 0, then 0 times 3 over 3 equals 0 over 3 equals 0. This is a wrong solution. To solve this, don't forget the PEMDAS or BODMAS rule. We have to multiply or divide before you subtract or you add. So here now we have to multiply what we have here before we subtract. That means we'll be having 3 minus 3 times 3 is 9. Then we have divided by 3. So 3 minus 9 now will give negative 6 over 3, and this will give negative 2. So this is the correct way of solving this. That means the solution, the answer to this is negative 2. If you have any question you want me to help you solve, click on the link in the description and I will bring the solution your way.